Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. I am here with a Tiny Tip Tuesday, getting my video ready. And, okay, so I'm going to show you guys a fun technique. I will tell you that I've almost 100% copied this from one of Stampin' Up's artisan demonstrators. Every year they select demonstrators to be on the artisan design team, and then they do little things, which I will post the 3 steps on how to do this technique, because they allow us to do that, and so I'll be able to let you guys see how it's, you know, so you can remember how to do it. But super simple, except there it is. Okay, I thought I forgot something, so I grabbed it. All right, so I just have a piece of basic white. I'm just using a small one for my sample, and I will show you some finished projects with it. I'm gonna start. I've got Parakeet Party, Granny Apple Green, Tahitian Tide, and Pacific Point as my colors. And I've got 2 of my blending brushes, and I've showed you before how I just use all of the, you know, all the greens are going to be with this one, all the blues with that one. That's how I do it. There isn't any reason, if you only use Stampin' Up! That you have, you know, 50 different blends. You really can get away with having one. You just have to clean it on occasion. All right, so I'm going to start with Parakeet Party. If you're on, tell me hi and where you're from. Comments are really good. Likes and loves really help. So all I'm doing is I am making circles. I don't even care that they're blotchy. Don't even care. It's not that, it's like, it's fine. It's groovy. So this is a small piece, so that's all I'm going to do with the green for the Parakeet Party for now. I may decide to add some more in later. Now I'm going to take the Tahitian Tide, and I'm going to add that in some places, just wherever. So basically I'm making little circles all over this thing. All right. Then let's try some of the Pacific Point. It looks like I'm making a big mess, but you will see in the end how much fun it really ends up being. So now I've got all these funky little blocks around. Now I'm going to take the Granny Apple Green, which is slightly darker than the Parakeet Party, and I'm going to just add that kind of all over sort of in there. Whoops, try not to bend it like I just did. And this kind of greens it all up. I don't think this part, adding the green everywhere, is in the tips that I'm going to share from the artisan team, but I just liked it. I liked that it sort of blended it out. Now what you're going to do is you're either going to take our spritzers, or I just happen to have this water bottle, and I'm going to hold it up far enough to just get some spritz on there. And can you see, let me zoom in. Can you see what's happened? Can you see how it's making the dots and the mottled look? Cool, right? So then from there, you're going to want to heat set this, because you're going to want it to dry. And as you can see, it can curl, but when you heat it, it flattens back out. And it also stops it from seeing how it's getting more runny. Though that looks cool too. So then what you're going to do is you can use it to cut out different shapes. I decided, since I was using the artisan's design, that I would show you the cutouts with what they use to cut out. They use this die right here. This is from the Fancy Frames dies. It's $34. It's in the annual catalog, 159176. And then the one that this has been bundled with the Forever Fern. I think it's still a bundle. No, it probably isn't. But this is the other one that they used for theirs. So, and Forever Fern, I also used on the projects I'm going to show you. This is called Forever Flourishing Dies. It's $36, 152714. So I did those because those are the same two dies that they used. And like I said, I've got Forever Fern stamp set. This is such a beautiful stamp set. I really love it. 1525559. Let's see if I wrote down how much it costs. $24. And it's in the annual catalog. All right, so here are the two pieces I cut out. You can see the flower and the, so you can see how it didn't matter. It didn't matter that it blotched. It's harder to see, but when you're looking at it in person, you can kind of see all the, let me zoom again for you guys. You can kind of see all the, like spots and the multiple colors. I just think it came out so beautiful. I couldn't wait to try it. So then I have the leftover piece from this, and there was actually extra paper because I did like a long strip when I colored. And so I did this little card. So those are the two cards. This one you can see the modeling more because, but I mean, it's all got it. Look at that. It's all has it. But when you cut it out, it just gives you a beautiful design. And I hope you guys like it. So this is a very short, tiny tip. Let me zoom back out. If it will let me, there we go. So I hope you guys are enjoying Celebration. By the way, I did mail off all of the party prizes for those of you who contacted me in time to tell me you watched the video. I feel really sad because there were more than half people who never commented, never saw their names being pulled, and it makes me sad, but you know, the rules are there for a reason. So anyway, everybody else's is mailed. I still have to finish preparing. The people who joined Weight Watchers are getting a prize with my link, which you can still do. That's going to be ongoing. And when you joined my team, you're going to get a little something from me also. And don't forget, during Celebration, when I hit my magic number, I'm going to have a drawing for a Stamparatus. So, oh, good. Thank you, Debbie. I'm glad you liked them. All right, you guys, have a blessed and wonderful week. We're expecting a decent amount of snow tomorrow here in my area of Michigan. They say 3 to 5, could be worse, but you know what? They say that stuff, and then it's either as bad, but lately it's been like nothing. So we'll see what happens. And also, I did go to the ER yesterday because my foot is still really bothering me. But nothing was broken. So they said it's just in like super bruised internal bruises because I can't see them as much, but I can feel them. So I did a number. So I have to, like, you know, rest my foot a lot, but I'm okay. So that's good. No surgery or anything. And that's what I was really worried about, as it not healed. Okay, so just as a reminder, please share this video and comment below that you've shared. Yeah, it is good, Debbie. At 65, you kind of don't want to break your feet. But don't forget to comment below after you've shared my video so that I can go over to where you shared it and thank you for it and put you in the drawing. If you're going to go shopping, go to my Stampin' Up! Website, MemoryINKers.com. Please use this hostess code QC46T23R. If you need to contact me, you can do so with a private message or email me at MemoryINKers@gmail.com. Okay, you guys, have a blessed and wonderful rest of your week. I will see you for a Thinner Thursday, assuming that the roads are fine and I can get to my Weight Watchers meeting. Either way, I'll pop on. All right, bye.